Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Toca or app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you just like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list, in there you're looking for Toca word app, or just click on search. Then here at Toca word app, it's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on first stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. Then here you search for Toca Boca word, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here, if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.